Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify tutorial. Today's focus is to walk you through the process of creating and adding an email signature inside Gmail. For those that are new to Sheetify, we sell 3 Google Sheets business templates. These are Sheetify CRM, Bookkeeping, and Projects. And inside our Sheetify CRM, you can engage in email marketing activities and send bulk email campaigns to your contacts. This is because our Sheetify CRM Google Sheets template is connected to Gmail. And when you send those email campaigns, your email signature that you added inside Gmail will automatically be added to your email campaigns. Okay, so how can you quickly create and add an email signature inside Gmail? Once you've arrived inside your Gmail account, simply navigate up to Settings and then click on See All Settings. Then navigate down to the bottom of General and locate Signature over here. If you currently do not have an email signature, simply navigate down and click on Create New. I'm going to call this Stuart Signature. Then navigate over to Create. Now we can add a simple text-based signature if we like by simply adding text. For example, below my name, I want to add my position, as well as my phone number and email. I can also add my website down here. And this is a basic email signature. I can add some formatting. I'm going to bold some of the text. This E, P for phone number, and W for website. And I can also add an image if I like. I can add links and change the text color to suit my branding. Okay, so that's how you can create a simple dynamic email signature inside Gmail. What about an attractive and visually pleasing email signature? Well, you can also quickly create one for free inside Canva. Simply head over to canva.com and sign up for free if you currently do not have an account. Then navigate up to the search bar and type in email signature. And here we have the email signature template. And that's going to take you to thousands of email signature templates that you can customize and use if you like. Let's navigate through some of these. And you want to locate an email signature that does not have this crown icon. If you have Canva Pro, then you can use any of these paid templates. Hey, just quickly before we get back into this tutorial, if you're getting value from this video, please drop a like and subscribe. This means a lot to me and ultimately helps us reach and help more small business owners across YouTube. Thank you in advance, and with that quick note, let's jump back into this video. Let's go ahead and use this free template here. Again, you can choose any of these templates, then start customizing the template the way that you like. I'm going to change this color to my theme color, which is orange. Then I'm going to navigate over to this frame color and change this. I'm happy with that. I'm going to change the name and then simply replace this content down here with my own business details. Go ahead and take the time to replace that content. Simply click on the content. These are text boxes, and add your own content. You can also play around with the different formatting options up here if you like. And as you can see, I've quickly changed those details. Now I want to replace this image with my own image. What I'm going to do is navigate over to Uploads and then upload an image of myself. I'm going to use this image here and click on Open. Then all I need to do is click on the image, drag and drop, and replace the default image. And then double click, drag out the sides, and move it around until I'm happy with that image. I'm going to make a few more changes, make it a bit smaller, and I'm happy with that. I can also navigate over to Elements on the left-hand side, and I could add social media elements or anything else that I like. Social media, for example, I'm going to use this image here, change the size, and place that over here. Make it slightly larger, and I'm also going to add my business logo by navigating over to Uploads and uploading my business logo. Here's the logo I want to use. Then just click on the logo that you just uploaded and drag it and place it where you want to place that logo. I'm going to add that logo over here and make it smaller, and I'm happy with that. Or I can place that somewhere like this. I'm also going to copy this, Control-CV, make a duplicate, and place that over here, and change it to white, just to add to the design of this template. Okay, now once you're happy with your template, your email signature, simply navigate up to Share, then click on Download, and we want to change the sizing, because typically if you use the default size, the quality is quite low. So let's go 1100 by 550. And then click on Download. And just like that, you've downloaded your email signature. Let's head back over to our Gmail account. And inside Settings, I'm going to quickly go ahead and create a new signature and call this Canva Signature. Then hit Create and come down to this image icon, click on Browse, locate the signature that you just downloaded. Then feel free to choose the right size. I like the look of large. You can see the quality is there. Then navigate down and make sure for new email use and choose the correct signature, as well as on reply, choose the correct signature, then navigate down to Save Changes. And as you can see, just like that, the email signature has been added. And every time you compose a new email, your email signature will be added here. If you're using our Sheetify CRM and you're sending bulk emails, this email will be automatically added to your email campaigns. And that is how you can quickly add and create a free email signature for your Gmail emails. If you got value from this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care.